Hello and welcome to the Toys channel. Today we've got another unboxing video with Play-Doh tools. And yeah, I think it's gonna look really cool. It's a really nice box. We've got black and brown Play-Doh with it. So we'll see what's in the box. All this machinery. So yeah, like I said, we've got two colors of Play-Doh. We've got all these machines. A lift machine. A press machine, I think. Making bricks. Or bricks, sorry. And a cut machine. Let's see. I think this is our saw. The molds or shapes of the bricks. That's the bottom part. Yeah, black and brown Play-Doh. And our presser. The description, always handy. Oh, we can completely open it up, and it's an actual bottom where we can build our machinery on. The ground. So it looks more surreal. Yeah, we've got the little truck here. In two parts, but as you can see, you can easily click them to one another. And there we are. There's a clip bit, as you can see. Yeah, in the next video I'm going to show you what we can do with it.